y'all. Hey, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm getting ready to make me a patty melt, y'all. You don't need about that much. I got a little small pound roll of ground beef because you know, you won't. I like mine flat. Some people like theirs not flat. And I'm gonna season this meat up. This is just a little garlic powder. I might as well use the rest of that. And some seasoned salt. Don't want too much. Don't want too much of that right there. Pull out the black pepper. Get a little of that. And what we need is some, I know it's on in here. Hold on, y'all. Now watch it don't be none in here since I'm saying, yes it is. Look how God works. Some minced onions. Now you can use onion powder if you don't like minced onions. Or you can use dice up onions real fine too, if you want to. If you don't, but you might not like onions like that. You know what I'm saying? What y'all been doing today? I've been working from home. And y'all, this TV debacle is getting on my nerves. We reordered it from Walmart. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday. I called. They didn't show. I had a few other items. And I told you I was needing some eggs. So I got an egg. Y'all, how about I went to fill up the egg thing? I thought that was a whole thing of eggs. It was only 6 eggs in there. But those eggs, I did get an 18 count. They're going to have to last me. So I can't be eating no egg every day. Can I? So yeah. So once you get that, you're going to make a round and pat it out as much or as flat as you can, right? This is for a patty melt. I'm putting it in the pan because it's easier for me, because you want it thin. You want it thin as you can get, right? And y'all see, I patted it out, and that's how it is in the pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the pan on. Let me wash my hands first of all. Get a bag to put the rest of this meat in. Ugh. God, I couldn't hardly get that open. Really, Donna? Really? I might have another one, so I'm gonna leave it out just in case I want one tomorrow. I don't have to be stretching my brain on what to eat. I don't have that much keto bread left, first of all. And I don't have no other kind of bread here either. Because you know I ain't bring here, so yeah. Let me wash my hands, y'all. Whew. Today, what y'all cooking good this fine day? All these things and more. And you're gonna need some mayo and whatever kind of bread you use. This is the keto bread with 0 carbs in it. So yeah, go ahead and get your 2 pieces of bread out, because this is gonna cook pretty fast. You ain't gonna be up over here on this stove forever trying to cook no doggone patty melt. I'm getting a piece of cheese, y'all. Cheese me, please. Now you can use 1 or 2 pieces of cheese, but cheese is not always my friend, right? So I'm only gonna use 1 piece, and it's just a regular American cheese. So while that, I'm gonna move this bread over here so y'all can see. While that's on the fry, right, getting ready to do its thing, you go ahead and get your bread ready. Because you're gonna do all this in the skillet. You ain't gonna be doing all this. Just put mayonnaise on both sides, a little light coating. Now you're not gonna use a lot because you know I'm gonna use some Big Mac sauce, some Thousand Island dressing. Y'all know that's all Big Mac sauce is. They need to quit with the lie. That's all it's ever been. So you just need a little light squeeze on both sides. And you cook your hamburger to your desire. You know what I'm saying? How you like it. Let me get some more onion and garlic powder out while I'm doing this. Garlic powder. This seems so strange. I gave Amber so much of my, I gave her a lot of my seasonings. So, it seems a little bare up here. Really? What's going on? Well, I still got another garlic and onion powder in there. So she wouldn't have to just start buying everything from scratch. You know? So, yeah. Let me get a spatula out here and flip this baby. And it's thin so you don't be all day up in the kitchen, you know, trying to cook this little patty melt. You have you one. Let me get me a paper plate there. Do y'all like patty melts? And if so, how do you fix yours? How do you fix your patty melt? Let me put this mayonnaise up. Mayonnaise. Now, if you don't have mayonnaise, you can use Miracle Whip too. But I prefer to use mayonnaise for that. Oh, child. This ain't even open. Let me open this. And I just put a little bit on my plate to dip it in. You don't need a lot. You don't want no dressing with your milk. I mean, you don't want no milk with your dressing. Just need a little bit. Just need a little bit to dip it in. Oh. Hold on 1 minute, y'all. Ooh, Jesus. Let's see here. I got the words to this one because I don't really know this song that well. I know some of the words. So today's Christmas song is rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will see a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing. Let's be jolly, deck the halls with bells of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in an old-fashioned way. Child, I don't even know if that's the tune of it anyway. And someone asked for me to sing this song, but I don't really know it. Have your merry, merry Christmas and a happy New Year. That's TLC. And there's some little rap. I don't even know it, y'all, but I'm going to have to look it up so I can sing it. Because I don't know the words to that either. But somebody asked for that too. I ain't know the words, so I looked the words up. Anyway, that's the Christmas bop of the day. Let me sing something else. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Let me just skip over the other part. Fall on your knees. You put this on here. Oh, hear the angel voice says, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Okay, so you got the bread on the cheese and you turn that over. Because like I said, you do everything in one skillet. Now you're going to let the bread toast up and brown. Okay? Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Y'all, so that's my Christmas snippet song for the day. It's all pieced together. Hope y'all got the Christmas spirit out of all of that. And I know rocking around the Christmas tree wasn't in the right tempo. Or, yeah. And smash it down, smash it down, smash it down. I'm gonna put this on in the sink here. While that's browning. And I'm clowning around the Christmas tree. La, 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 la. Oh, I ain't finished telling y'all about the TV. So, the TV was supposed to be delivered yesterday, right? Me and this TV situation. I must don't need no TV right now. So, they didn't deliver the TV, right? So, I called, and they said, well, yeah, they're going to give a driver out later to deliver the TV. Or they going to deliver it in the morning. I've been here working from home. They ain't delivered the TV this morning either. So I finally waited till like 2 something to call. Well, they should have delivered the TV yesterday. You was lying yesterday, basically, is what you telling me, basically. Right? We're going to have to give you a refund. I'm going to turn, it's going to take 24 to 48 hours to refund you for the TV. Okay. This is the biggest nightmare. Me and this darn TV situation. Okay. And there you have it, guys. A patty melt all ready for you. Dip it in your little Big Back sauce. Y'all see how quick that was? It's no excuse. Y'all, sometimes I know you get lazy, because I do too. You don't be wanting to cook nothing. But it don't take long to cook you something at your own house. You know what you've put in it, basically, besides what's, you know, whatever the manufacturer put in. But you know what you did. You know what you put in. You know the seasonings and all that good stuff. And this is low carb because it's low carb bread, piece of cheese, and the meat. That's why I say don't use a whole lot of this Thousand Island because it does have the carbs in it. But anyway, I want you to know your love. Thank y'all for joining me. What day we on? We on Vlogmas Day 22. Thank you for joining me while I fix my patty melt. I'm getting ready to get off here and eat it up. Eat it up because I am hungry. And that's dinner tonight. What's for dinner at your kitchen? Y'all know I love you, love you, love you. But God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. And I'll see y'all tomorrow if God says the same. Bye.